What's up guys, and thank you for stopping by my channel. Today's project is this troy-bilt 4-cycle trimmer. And the problem is it's mysteriously losing gas and it's also running very poorly. Let's start it up and see how it runs. Just check out all that oil coming out of the crankcase breather tube. I'm pretty sure I can guess where all the gasoline is going. I think all of it's leaking past the carburetor into the engine and then mixing with the oil. And if we take a look at the sight glass, we can definitely see that it is not at the proper level. Alright, let's go ahead and pour it out and take a closer look to see what's inside this oil. And after examining what came out, it is definitely a mixture of oil and gasoline. And after adding the proper amount of oil, let's go ahead and take a closer look at the carburetor. After removing the cover, now remove these 4 bolts to reveal the carburetor. Next, remove the 3 fuel lines from the carburetor and then the throttle cable. Then remove the 4 bolts on the silver plate at the bottom of the carburetor, and that will reveal the metering diaphragm. The rest of the carburetor looks pretty good, but the same can't be said for the metering diaphragm, as it's frozen in the extended position, which is allowing gas to move from the tank to the engine. It's now time to reassemble the carburetor, but this time with a new metering diaphragm. Once that's done, reinstall the carburetor back onto the engine. Now let's put some fresh gas into it and hopefully it'll start and run just fine. And fortunately for us, it is running just like it should, and hopefully we won't be losing any more gas inside the engine. Thanks for watching Home Garage, and if you would, please subscribe, like, and comment down below. And if you would, please check out my other videos. Have a good one, guys, and I'll see you in my next video.